Gotta get that. Gotta get that. It's the coolest beach ever. Gotta get that. Oh, okay. Oh, baby. We made it. Alright, so I was just on my way leaving camp on my way north, and I ran into these nice people here living in this cool bus, and they broke down. They ran out of gas and they need diesel fuel. So I met this nice gentleman named Dustin and gave him a ride to the nearest gas station. We're trying to see if we can get his bus started here. But yeah, I figured I'd try and see if I could do more good than bad out here and help someone out. So hopefully we can get this thing started. And said they're gonna give me a tour of their bus and maybe make some breakfast for me. So we'll see. Got to start in.
What's the point of bumping my head on it?
So yeah, this is Dustin and Michelle's beautiful bus. They let me come on and take a tour and hang out, making delicious breakfast burritos over here. They even have a projector,
Bathtub?
cool little sink area,
Bathtub full of junk?
and Bella. Bella!
She says yes.
Yeah. Huh? Alright. There you go.
Big old chunk of redwood.
Good morning. Sorry for all the noise. I didn't bring my mic, but we are in the Avenue of the Giants and we slept right off this river. And there's this nice river mouth. So we're gonna try and catch a fish today. And turns out Dustin and Michelle are actually like really, really cool. So I'm gonna be living with them for a few days. We slept next to this giant redwood tree right in the Avenue of the Giants. Saw some of the biggest trees yesterday that I've ever seen. But it also turns out that Dustin and Michelle are actually chefs who live in their bus, as you know, but they used to own a food truck. And so now they're living on the road and their kind of mission is to cook food for people. So lately they've been spoiling me. And their food is amazing, their journey is amazing. So if you want to check them out on Instagram, they're The Gourmet Glampers.